everyone.
What's up, YouTube community? It's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor, here with Dave Camenga of Dave's Cleaning Consultants, and we are here today to do an office tour. I am so excited.
Oh, me too. I'm just so excited to talk on this channel and speak on everything. We are super excited.
We actually have our event going on this weekend, which is tomorrow. And we are here to do an updated office tour, you guys. How many times have you changed offices so far? Because the last time we did a video
Up at our Hereford location.
Right.
Yeah,
This is the third one, I think.
Yeah, this is the third office. I moved from Hereford, and then we moved to Cockeysville, and then the office was a little bit small for us, so then we were there for about 2 years, and then now we're here.
Super excited, you guys. I am going to give you, well, Dave is actually going to be giving you a tour. I'm going to be holding the camera, and I hope you guys enjoy this.
Everyone, welcome to our new corporate office here in Cockeysville, Maryland. We are super excited to go in and show you the space. Let's go. Hey everyone, now we are inside. We're gonna do a little bit of a tour. So to the left, we have our reception team. Our reception team go ahead and take care of all the incoming calls and inquiries to our company. And they are the true asset to our company, answering the phones, making sure that, you know, all the leads are coming through, are getting answered on a timely manner. Okay, as we walk through, here is our reception area. And then over here, we have our team wall with some of the awards that we've won. We have won the Baltimore Best Magazine. We have won the Baltimore Sun. We've won the Baltimore Style. We've won Best Cleaning Services by Cockeysville by quality rating. But some of our best awards that we have won are the Baltimore Best and Baltimore Sun. And here's some pictures of our team that needs to be updated, but there is some pictures.
I can't believe how many awards you guys have won.
I know, and it's so funny. It's not me, it's our staff. You know what I'm saying? Our staff is so dedicated that we're able to win those awards.
I love that.
Obviously, you can't do it by yourself. You have to have a team of people that are trained. You have to have systems in place to really make it work. And as you come over here, our cleaners fill our bottles. We have our MDRO hospital grade, and then we have our RTU blue.
So for those that aren't familiar, what is the MDRO?
Yeah, so the MDRO is a hospital strength cleaner used on toilets, urinals, sinks, high touch surfaces. And the RTU blue is kind of like a Windex, but it does have a multi-surface factor to it.
Love that.
So yes, and then we come...
What's this right here?
Those are our concentrates that are mixed up, and our laundry manager that is in charge of all of our linens take care of making sure that all of our sprays and chemicals are all ready for our teams to come in.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I love that. This, you guys, is a great idea if you're looking to save, you know.
The concentrates is a huge thing for our business. You know, it saves us a lot of money. We've tried many different things, and the concentrates seem to be the best. So, yes.
That's perfect.
Over here is our restroom.
So cute. I'm going to show the people. So cute. I love all the gold accents.
Thank you. And then if you go over here, you'll see more pictures of some of our staff members. And then over here, this is my office area where I let all of my team members come and talk to me, and if there's any issues or concerns, this is our spot. We all come in here and we meet, and this is I kind of keep it as like an open area so people can come in and come talk to me. At my other previous offices, I had closed office, and I feel like it wasn't good for our company due to the fact that, like, you know, the owner's not available or something like that. I always like to be available if I can be. So this kind of gives the opportunity for them to come talk to me to see if there's anything I can help them with. Yeah.
Look at this. So this is where you do your content?
Yes, so right there, yes.
Content. So cute, you guys. And then who sits here?
That is our sales director. Yup.
You guys do so amazing with all the branding.
And actually, if you look here, that is actually our original logo when we started 10 years ago. We used to be a mop, and I don't think I ever told anyone that, but obviously as we grew, we turned into a building because we do building janitorial.
You're so handsome.
Okay, so now we're gonna walk to the back area. This is where our director of operations sits. She handles everything from payroll, scheduling, client resolution, anything else in between. She does work from home several days a week, but she does come in the office once a week to do filing and checks and our weekly meeting. So she sits over here.
This is such a beautiful space.
Thank you so much.
It's like so spacious, you guys.
And then we have this awesome team wall of some of our cleaners. That's one of our laundry personnel that take care of all of our laundry across the board for our linen accounts. Yep. There's Ben, one of our area managers. There's Shadi, one of our area managers. There's Ashley, another one of our managers. That's actually my sister Morgan. She works here part-time. She's a teacher, but she works here part-time in my office.
I love the company culture.
And that is, we really, like I said, we really have a great team. Oh, there's Carol, as everyone knows who Carol is. She's been with us since pretty much a year after we opened our company. So
Carol and Shadi.
Carol and Shadi. There's Fernando, and then Katie, and then Maria's right down there. And then there's Kaylee. I mean, like I said, we really have, all of our teams are great. We're very lucky. And I like to say it really takes a long time to really get those people to actually care. You know, it's not something that it happens overnight.
I love that you said that. Thank you. Because people think that we all have a really hard time finding good staff, but once you have them, you know, it's an amazing
Absolutely.
feeling.
So in here is just kind of like overstock. So all of our accounts do have our janitorial carts and supplies, but this is kind of just like overstock things. We have our washer and dryer. We have all of our mops, flat pads, rags, linen service. And then one huge thing to have in your laundry spaces is your SDS sheets. Over here, we have a binder full of SDS over here, which many people don't know what SDS is, which I did not know. SDS sheets stands for Safety Data Sheets. And across the board, and especially in the commercial side of things, you need to make sure you have all of your proper SDS sheets with everything, from your toilet cleaner, from your Windex, from your multi-surface, from your floor cleaner. You have to have SDS sheets, because SDS sheets, if OSHA came in here and audited you and you didn't have it, you could get a hefty fine. I've seen it. And actually, it's so funny. Anna from Elite Commercial Cleaning actually, probably like 7 years ago, she was telling me that we have to have these, you know, across the board at our accounts, and we have implemented it at all of our accounts in all janitorial closets. But if you have a supply room in your office, this is essential. So SDS sheets, we can actually, I think we should make a video on that, because so many people don't know what it is. So yeah, so that's that. And then if we look back here, this is just a bunch more storage back here. We have vacuums, overstock, caddies, ladders, and then extra washers and dryers. We have to keep stock for all of our teams.
This
is just like overstock.
Oh, but this is so cute.
Yeah, it's a bonus area for us. And then we actually have a whole other side too with more storage. So it's a very spacious space for us, for what we need.
Yes, look at how big this is. Holy shit, I didn't know this was here.
Yeah, it's great.
I love,
it's a little messy right now because
it's so organized. Don't you dare.
But so that is our new office. We are beyond happy here. It's actually 2 times the size of our other location. So like I said, we are growing every day. So that's the best part of this industry is you grow. You know, this is our 10-year anniversary, and
congratulations.
Thank you so much. And every day you're growing, you building the team, building the clients. And like I said, it doesn't happen overnight. So many people think that it happens overnight, and it doesn't. So
tell everybody how long you've been in business.
We've been
10 years.
Yeah, so since 2015. So funny story, I actually started this as a hobby in 5th grade. I wasn't doing it legal for a little while. Obviously, like most people, when they're getting businesses started, they kind of just,
right.
get it up and running. But you know, with the help of my father, obviously I didn't drive at that age like no one else, and I couldn't get insurance and things like that. And so he actually helped me, you know, get started with the business, and then I took it from there, and then I bought it from him because as he was the sole owner when I turned 18 at the time, and then I took over and I expanded the company. So yeah.
That's awesome. 10 years, you guys, in the making. Do not give up. Keep pushing. I know you have somewhere to be right now, so if you don't mind just walking us out.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for coming, and we will see you next time.